Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make Ankara Hand Fan. So I'll be using this interfacing and this Ankara fabric. I'll also be using paper. So this Ankara fabric is 13 inches width by 45 inches length. This interfacing is 5 inches width by 45 inches length. So I will, with my hot iron, I will iron this interfacing to my Ankara fabric. So guys, on your interfacing there is a part that has adhesive, so gum that part that has adhesive on your fabric. Like I'm ironing my interfacing 1 inches away from the fabric, so you fold this 1 inch on your interfacing and you iron also. So guys, after you have ironed your 1 inch on your interfacing, your remaining fabric, fold it inside, like make it equal with this other one and iron it also. So you fold the excess fabric inside like that. So guys, this is it. I folded 1 inch on the interface and the remaining Ankara fabric, I folded it on it and iron. So I will go to my sewing machine and stitch this straight down to this point. So guys, this is the stitch. I've stitched all through. So now we'll make the handle of our hand fan. Handle of the hand fan, I'll be using this paper fiber. So the length of the paper fiber will be our fan will be 9 inches. So with a ruler, I just connect it with a straight line. So I'm going to use this ruler for my wheel. We'll make 4 of this. So I have 4 lines now, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll cut this out. So this is the 4 paper fiber. I will just make something like an arc from each end. So I'll use this to cut the other one. So this is the handle. I will apply Evostic gum and we'll glue two together and this other two together. So I'll apply Evostic gum. So I added Evostic gum and I waited for it a bit to dry. So I'll glue them to themselves. So I've joined the two of them together. I'll add gum on one side. So I added gum and I waited for it a bit to dry. So I will use this bridal satin. I want to use it to wrap it. I'll also add gum to this other part and use bridal satin to cover it up. So this is the end. You have covered this other side with bridal satin as well. So we'll go back to fabric. So on your fabric in, we'll use Evostic gum to gum this together. And we'll do the same for this other side. Like 1 inch from the top, fold our Ankara fabric on the fan. So I'll add gum. So I'll wait for the both of them to dry. Okay, so from your folding in, that's where we'll start folding. I've also folded this part too, so we'll start folding from this part, fold to the back, like we'll make pleats. run straight stitch with needle and thread, 3 lines, one here, one at the middle and one at the side with a needle and thread. So now we'll use it to hold the pleats together. So I run the sewing 1, 2, 3. So I'll cut off this thread now. This is what our Ankara Hand Fan looks like. So now we'll do the handle. This Ankara fabric is 7 inches by 2 inches. So I will use UA shoe. This is UA shoe, and fold each edge. I will fold this edge by 1/2 inch. I'll fold this edge too and fold this edge. Then we'll fold together. Use the issue. So this is for the handle. So I will use this. This is velcro. I will use just this small one I already cut out and place this here. I'll still cut this out a bit. I'll still cut this too. So with the help of a glue gun, wait for it a bit to dry. So guys, this is Ankara Hand Fan. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and tell me what you feel about this tutorial in the comment section.